A power outage can trigger a safety mode in your Maytag dryer, preventing it from heating to protect against electrical surges. This is due to the dryer's electronic control board malfunctioning. The most common fixes involve a power failure reset, breaker check, and a control board reset. Don't worry, these are usually easy to do yourself. The PF reset clears temporary glitches in the dryer's control board memory. Before starting, let's briefly see how electricity normally flows from the breaker to the heating element. Simply unplug your dryer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the capacitors to discharge, effectively rebooting the system. Then, plug the dryer back in and try running it again. Electricity flows from the circuit breaker through wires to power the dryer's heating element. Check your circuit breaker. Locate the circuit breaker for your dryer in your home's electrical panel. Dryers typically use a 30-amp breaker. Check if the breaker has tripped, switch to the off or middle position. If it has, flip it fully to the off position, then back to the on position. This resets the circuit and restores power to the dryer. Electricity flows from the circuit breaker through the dryer to power the heating element. If your Maytag dryer has a digital display, you can try a control board reset. This clears glitches from the control board caused by power fluctuations. First, confirm your dryer has a digital display. Most modern Maytag models feature this. A common reset method is to press and hold the start and cancel buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. This reboots the control board. Always consult your dryer's manual for the specific button combination, as it varies by model. For newer Maytag models like Bravos or Centennial, you may need to use the Maytag app for resets, which can provide model-specific instructions via QR code or guided steps. To understand how smart Maytag dryers work, let's briefly see the electricity flow. Power starts at the circuit breaker, travels through wires, and reaches the heating element to dry clothes. Many newer Maytag dryers feature smart technology that connects to the Maytag app for advanced troubleshooting after a power outage. These smart dryers include IoT connectivity and over-the-air firmware updates, which can automatically address power-related glitches and prevent heating failures. Connect your dryer to the Maytag app via Wi-Fi to access remote diagnostics and receive model-specific reset instructions tailored to your appliance. Use the app to scan the QR code located on your dryer for precise, model-specific instructions on how to reset the control board after a power outage. The Maytag app provides a quick and easy way to resolve heating issues, often eliminating the need for extensive manual troubleshooting steps. If the PF reset, breaker check, and control board reset don't solve the problem, there might be a more serious issue. This could include a faulty heating element, a blown capacitor on the control board, or other internal damage. In these cases, it's best to call a qualified appliance repair technician. To understand how to prevent future issues, first see how electricity flows through your dryer system. To protect your dryer from future power surge damage, consider using a surge protector or an uninterruptible power supply specifically rated for high current appliances. This appliance power protector helps regulate voltage and prevent surges. A UPS provides backup power and surge protection for your dryer. These devices help prevent the dryer's control board from entering safety mode after a power outage and can potentially increase the lifespan of your dryer. By using these protectors, you safeguard the internal components like the control board. Newer Maytag smart dryers feature IoT connectivity and over-the-air firmware updates. These advancements allow automatic resets after power outages, eliminating manual intervention for many users. These dryers connect to the internet, receiving over-the-air updates that fix firmware issues. For example, Maytag's 2025 software patch addressed phantom lockouts after outages for over 500,000 units worldwide. Some models use AI for predictive maintenance, analyzing usage patterns to predict issues. This alerts users via the Maytag app, reducing downtime and repair costs. Looking ahead, by 2030, expect machine learning to predict and prevent outage impacts automatically. Currently, 40% of new Maytag models include these features, and eco-friendly designs are 25% less prone to failures.